There are 195 countries in the world, and some of these countries you have marked for your favorite places on earth, and you also have some of these tourist sites that you wish to visit, and it sends chills on your spine when you see people going to these places, or you watch these places on social media or on your phone, or you have pictures of such places. And for one or two reasons, you may have given up on traveling to these places to visit these sites because you considered one or two reasons for your decision of giving up on these places. Some could be the cost involved, and some could be you do not have anybody to aid you through the processes, and you have already given up on this. And it's not a bad thing to give up on something for a good reason, but I am here to give you back the hope that you lost, that you should still hold on to this faith and this hope that you have of traveling to these sites, because in this video I am going to show you how to earn money whilst you travel across the world. And my name is Obape Ekweajeche. I teach you how to get paid every week by using a company's product. And if this is your first time here on this channel, feel free, hit on the like button of any of the videos that interest you, and you should also hit on the subscribe button to get notified anytime I post valuable content on how you can transform your life by using a company's product and getting paid every week. Now, when you hit on the subscription button, make sure you also hit on the notification bell so that it will be easier for you to get notified. And you should also share this video to save your friends who would also want to travel along with you, and you get company. This company is a manufacturing giant. They've been manufacturing products for over 36 years now. It was established in 1986 in China, and their product line involves daily care products, household products, healthcare products, and these products are products you use every day. So they simply are asking you to switch your brand, stop using the brand that you use now, and then use their products. But quickly, let's go back to today's video on how to make money whilst you travel to these favorite destinations that you have marked on your map. These trips are all expense paid trips. They are sponsored trips. The company sponsor you to travel. The company pays for everything for you to travel. Okay, so they are organized 2 to 3 times in a year. In Ghana, there are 2 major destinations that this company takes partners to, and this include Dubai and China. And these places every year is constant that partners travel to see these places, and also other destinations which include Malaysia, Singapore, USA, Canada, South Africa, Zanzibar, and it differs from country to country. And Nigeria last year they went to Greece and Singapore and some other countries. I don't know about South Africa, Botswana. I really don't know about those places, but I know that the company organizes this all expense paid trip. Because it is all expense paid and you just need to show yourself, you just need to be there. What you need to bring at the head office of this company, which is in your home country, is your valid passport and an identification card that can verify that this is you, and you go with them. If you are not able to attend this trip, you can give this trip to your son, your next of kin, and you can attend. But if any of these options are not favorable to you, whether you are giving it to somebody, whether you are selling the ticket enough, an option, you can just take the money of this trip, which is equivalent to the tour. From Ghana to USA is going to cost at about, say, $10,000 US. The company gives you back your $10,000 US straight into your bank account. If you think that you don't want to go to the US and then you just want the money. Now, when you get to these places, when you get to Singapore. There are tourist sites in Singapore. In Ghana, I know there is the Kakum National Park, there is the Cape Coast Castle, there is the Bunsu Arboretum and other places, okay? So, for instance, we come to Ghana and we go to the Cape Coast Castle and we go to the Kakum National Park, we go to the Bunsu Arboretum, and then we also visit the Aburi Botanical Garden. And it's how it is arranged. And also you get to stay in a 5-star hotel, and everything you do, if you are going to drink water, if you're going to eat food, is sponsored by the company. So all you need to do is take your clothes, your bag, your shoes, and you go there to see these places, and then you come back. So aside you staying in a 5-star hotel, the company gives you a shopping voucher. So this shopping voucher is just for you to go shopping, buy something, so that you don't find yourself using your personal, okay, your own credit card or your own money to do these purchases, unless you want to do that by using your personal account. There is also $2,800 cash which is given to you. This $2,800 cash comes in a form of a draw or a form of a competition, okay? So people or anybody who wins get the $2,800. Now, if you don't get it, you're going to get your shopping voucher, and it's actually a lifetime experience. This year, the organization launched the Maldives trip in Ghana, something that I wish to attend, because one of the places I want to visit is the Maldives, and everybody can get on board. You can get on board, and it's easy, okay? You need to reach the rank Diamond 4 before you can get access to these trips. Ranks in the organization, 1 to Diamond 4, Diamond 4 to Diamond 6, Diamond 6 to Star Director, and so on. So when you get to Diamond 4, actually the company gives you 1% out of the 2.5% worldwide incentives. When I talk of the worldwide incentives include an educational scholarship, all expense paid travels, and also a house fund. I have done a video on the anniversary, and I'm going to put that in the description, and you can check it out. And I'll be doing the subsequent videos, so make sure you do not miss all on that, on the details of that. So this 1% is given to you as their all expense paid trip. So when you get to rank Diamond 4, you earn 1% out of 2.5% of the worldwide incentives, and you get to travel across the globe. Whilst you are traveling, you earn something from the company. You are still paid every week straight into your bank account. This happens because every business organization wants to expand. So when you became a partner of the organization, you did not keep this news to yourself like I'm sharing with you now. You shared with people, you talked to people about it, you inspired people to use healthy organic products. And these people listened to you, so they started using the products. And whilst they used the products, the company gave you points. Every product has a point attached. So let's say the toothpaste has 3.5 points. We call it the point values, which is they're shortened as PVs. So every toothpaste has 3.5 PV. If you buy any product, you get a point. Now this point is accumulated over a time. It is added, okay? So whilst these points are added for over a year or 2 years or 6 months, you find yourself enjoying this worldwide incentives, especially the travel incentives, which is the #1 worldwide incentive. And then you get to travel. You share this information with your friends. Your friends buy the products, okay, from you. And this point is added up. Now, when you are away enjoying your trips, okay, your friends are still buying the product. So when they buy the product, the organization takes you for it, and the organization pays you for your friends buying the products from you. Okay, so whilst you are traveling, whilst you are going on a safari tour, whilst you are hiking, the organization still pays you for your friends using the products that you introduced to them. So whilst you are away, every week the organization pays you. Now this payment comes in 5 different means. These 5 payments are called the cash incentives or the cash bonuses. The first is the performance bonus, where you earn from 10% to 12%. The second is the leadership bonus, and that is also 10%. There is the third, which is development bonus, and that is also 10%. There is retail bonus, and this is also $1.30 on each group of retail that you do. Okay, so this is almost 45% or 40% of every activity, cash activity that comes into the organization, which is paid into your bank account. So let's say you are paid 35% a week out of $3,000. Make the calculation and leave the answer below in the comment section, and I'll be glad to know your answer. So 35% a week out of every activity that comes to the organization through you. So whilst you are away, you are being paid. Whilst you are sleeping, you are being paid. Whilst you are bathing, you are being paid. The exciting part of it is that the activity that brings in this cash is things that you do every day. You drink water every day, you wash your face every day, you brush your teeth every day, and these products are products that you use every day. You use toothpaste, you use sanitary towel, you use baby diapers, you use what have you. You do a lot of things every day. You go exercising, you want to slim down, you want a perfect skin, and this you do every day. So the organization is asking you to make income out of the activities that you do every day. So this one step to you getting paid and traveling alongside is for you to use the company products. Now you have to get on board. Okay, I have done a video on how you can start, on how you can get registered wherever you find yourself. The company is currently operating in 130 countries, and in Africa, it's in Ghana, Nigeria, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Cote d'Ivoire, Zanzibar, Sierra Leone. Actually, it's looking for new markets, and you should place yourself at this vantage point where you travel and also get paid for traveling. So Rockstar, if I have provided you with value, which I know I have, feel free, hit on the like button and also hit on the subscription button, and don't forget to hit on the notification bell when you hit on the subscription bell, okay, so you get notified anytime I post on how you can get paid every week whilst you are using a company's product. My name is Obape Ekuajechi, and I teach you how to use the company's product and get paid every week. I will see you some other time, but until I see you, it's bye bye for now.